So hope I'm audible, guys. So actually took a few break times so that I would be trying to make some adjustment with my microphone. So actually in this is actually weak exception handling input output files, and it's actually trying to use try and accept. So if you get a value error, you meaning you got wrong input type. So when you get a wrong input type, we can print the invalid input by using except. So name error, variable not defined, file not found, file missing. Okay, so this is the basic index error, index na invalid index. Name error means variable not defined. Variable not defined means something like int float, maybe that's a data type, I don't know, but let's just go jump into the sums. Else with try except. Try is code, except error code, else na normal code. Let us just see the example. N input print n 10 by n except print error, else print success. So except print error, else print success. So we are going to see about that. N print n by 10 by n, and if n isn't 0, if n is 0, there will be error, so it will run in except. If it is not error, it will run in else, I think so. Let me just see the output. So we are giving 2, so 10 by 2 it will be 5 and it's success. Okay, if it's not, if it's a 0, it would be coming under else except, and print will be error. Finally always runs whether the error code occurs or not. Finally, what finally itself is a block comes. Try 10 by 0. Now there will be error, so except it will print error. Okay, it will be printing error. Now finally print program ended. Finally, okay, error after program ended, it's also printed, and it's compulsory printed in all code when it's finally block is used, which you also should remember. Oh my god, this is so many. Oh my god, I didn't thought there would be this much. I want to study, I don't want to study this much. Anyhow, I would be forgetting these things, but let me just file handling, input reading from file, output writing to file, files helps to store data permanently, opening a file, file open, file name, comma mode. Let me just see the questions given and study for each one, because in this one there is actually overall they have given. We can actually copy paste it and ask ChatGPT. So that's a good thing. So this is the first question. Let's see what it gives. Hey, please and full. Hey, exception handling out of stock exception. Just give this thing and identify what type of question will be asked. So let's see, based on the exception handling out of stock, this is mostly like a custom exception, accepted concept, create a custom exception, classified out of stock exception, check product stock quality, try except, okay. Product Product stock is equal to 5. Customer wants 10. Stock is insufficient. Raise out of stock exception. Question that they may ask, stock is 10 and required is 15. Now you should print out of stock. So create custom exception. Exception means pass away. Use try except. Most probable code pattern. Class out of stock exception means pass. Stock is equal to int input, required is equal to int input. Now try if required is greater than stock, then raise out of stock exception, print ordered place, exception out of stock exception. What? Oh my god, exception out of stock exception. This is so confusing, guys. Not gonna lie, exception. Okay, raise out of stock exception. Will it then go to here after running this? Print ordered placed. How it will okay, it's in the elf loop. It's in the outside this if. So I think it would just be except out of stock. Now if it's not out of stock, it will print out of stock. If it's not out of stock, it should print out of stock, right? Maybe except is something like true. And let me just ask the explanation for the code. Let's see. So let's line with an explanation. Class out of stock exception pass. Class used to create a class out of stock custom exception name. Exception inherits Python inbuilt exception class. What this is inbuilt exception? This exception is inbuilt, and this is custom exception name. And why do you keep custom exception name within the exception? That's an exception that should be thought about. Pass no extra code inside class. Zero division error out of stock exception. This is so confusing, guys. I think I can't do this. Let me just see this tomorrow. I think so. Let me just show you guys the CSK score today. CSK versus SRH. Let's see how much they have got score. Oh my goodness, for 4! Oh my god, they lost 4 wickets. I saw Sanju Samson's and Urvil Patel's wicket and got angry and left and started live streaming this. Ruturaj, what is this strike rate, man? Okay, anyhow. So Karthik Sharma not bad. Okay, now Bruce and Dubey is on the crease. Who took the wicket of Ruturaj? Pat Cummins. Okay. Karthik Sharma also Pat Cummins. Sanju Samson also Pat Cummins. What? Oh my god, for 3 wickets, which is crazy. But see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this video.